Hi traders, Dale Pinkert here. I want to start off with Bitcoin. It's had a tremendous run. If you recall back in February when Bitcoin was trading 4,000, 3,500, wave three to the upside, my ETF call was GBTC, which is a trust on Bitcoin. It was trading about $4, now about 12. Wish I'd held on to some more. Uh, Liquidated most of it at 750. I just want to stress something here now because I'm seeing some topping action beginning to develop on the daily. I already have a third drive, and I'm breaking it down into a 4-hour time frame right here. And as you can see, we already have two, and I expect perhaps one more push, 9,600, maybe extreme up to 10,000, big round number. But I would be using this to take money off the table, take something off the table. Bernard Baruch, who was a legendary broker in the 30s, said his secret to success was always taking profits too soon. We try and temper that by taking partials. But I think we're in an area right now where, we've had 150% run in Bitcoin and it could be due for a pause, maybe a sharp, severe correction. So just wanted to call your attention to it. This next drive up, I would be ringing the register. As Bernard Baruch said once more, you never go broke taking profits. After this, I want to take a look at what's been happening in the dollar. And here's an ETF that you could trade on the dollar. It's not real liquid. As you can tell on a 4-hour chart, when there's dots, it shows that liquidity is lacking. So, uh, it's tradable, but sometimes you have to make an appointment to get a trade off. That's why I prefer the deepest markets out there, which are the uh, currencies, the FX retail market, wholesale market, and over the counter market, CFDs, whatever you want to call it. There's always someone on the other side, but the picture is the same. Looks like we're going to make a run for new highs here, and the dollar is going to be interesting, especially remember the Fed is tomorrow. Um, I'm not playing roulette. I went to the door on a lot of stuff today, and I'd rather react to the reaction. I know you've heard it before, but prudence over valor. Uh, the market exploded. That was something that I thought was going to happen after a pullback, and had a very strong day to the upside. I don't know what to do there, and I'm okay saying I don't know because there are times I do know. You don't have to know all the time. And we're starting to get signals, something that I put a little warning out and talked about. The gold silver ratio looks to be peaking out here. And the way to take advantage of it, if you don't trade the CFD, is even at these levels, it's not late. And there could always be another push to new highs, but it's acting pretty toppy, taking out some moving averages today. And this is with gold up today, all the precious metals up. Silver outperforming dramatically, twice as strong as gold today. So the gold silver ratio, you could take some of your silver, take some of your gold, exchange it for silver, because in comparison, silver's pretty cheap compared to gold. That's what this ratio is saying. So good hunting tomorrow. Be careful. Tread lightly. Don't have any heavy positions going into mainly not what the Fed announcement is, but the press conference with Powell. Here's my prediction for the Fed tomorrow. Jerome Powell's going to say everything is all right. Okay, traders, see you tomorrow. Don't just count your pips, count your blessings, and I know where your stops are. So do the algos.